with Chef Ricardo cooking. Well, today I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely macaroni and cheese. It's gonna be very simple, easy to make. I'm gonna give you the full recipe, and I hope you guys love the recipe. So please stay tuned. And remember, I always say on Caribbean Gateway is for me, you, and everyone. So hope everyone will just enjoy Caribbean Gateway while we make your lovely macaroni and cheese. And you're gonna go with some oven baked chicken also. So enjoy the recipe as I show you. Medium size pot. What I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna put 2 spoons of butter inside of it. I'm already have my pot on the stove, so it's gonna be hot, warm at the moment. About like a 3 to 4 seconds now since I have it. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of flour. Sorry guys, 2 spoons of flour inside of it. Simple, use my wooden spoon, and I have it on a medium size heat, and I'm making a nice lovely roux. So earlier I have cut a little bit of white onion and some garlic, and the garlic goes really well when you're making macaroni and cheese, especially put a little bit of white onion also inside of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply leave this roughly one next 3 to 4 minutes. Make it at a medium size heat with the butter melting, with the garlic and the onion cooking in it. And the garlic and the butter is ready. So now I'm already have 1 pint of milk, which I'm going to pour inside of it. What I did earlier, I just warm my milk in the microwave. That's everything keep warming. So I'm going to pour straight inside of it like this. Nice one. Take my little time and give it a little spin. So I'm gonna make it get thick, getting really thick. And what I'm doing at the moment, I'm making the milk cook with everything, with the onion and the garlic. Now I'm gonna simply put some cheese inside of it. So 1 spoon, 1 handful that gone, and it's gonna make 2 handful. Roughly 2.5 handful of cheese, and I'm using some strong grated cheese to make this macaroni and cheese. So hopefully you guys love the recipe. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, this is the way it looks, really thick and nice. So all you need to do is to use 2 teaspoons of butter and 2 teaspoons of flour with some milk. Really goes really well. I'm gonna simply put a little bit of pepper, and also just a pinch of sugar, bring up the flavor some more inside of it. Really nice. And simple, give it another stir. You guys can see what I'm talking about right here. That's all the sauce look. Then this sauce is making from scratch. Remember, if you go anywhere someone saw you making such a nice lovely recipe like this, remember, don't afraid to tell them on Caribbean Gateway you see it. Ben TV every Wednesday at 9:30 live with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. So as you can see, sauce looking really good. Now we're gonna simply do, earlier I cooked some macaroni, and right here I'm already cool it down. And also I'm gonna give you a little secret. When you're making macaroni and cheese, it's good to put a handful of cheese inside of it and give it a nice little stir like this. And earlier I did cook up a little bit of sweet corn and white onion and mixed pepper, and I take it off. I'm gonna pour it also inside of it. This is a lovely recipe, guys. And now I'm gonna pour that sauce, which we just make, straight inside of it like this. Wow, I can smell the scent of the sauce, really nice. Simple, give it a little stir. And this is what we're talking about. Look at that, beautiful. Preheat the oven at gas mark 6 or 7, or if you're using a different kind of oven, 165, 175 is really good. Look at that, beautiful. So now I'm gonna simply pour it in this container right here, this oven tray. Next, put a little cheese on top, and you're gonna put it in the oven for roughly one good 20 minutes to see that cheese melting off on top of it, looking really goldish and really nice. So this is what you're talking about. Very easy and simple recipe for you guys to make at home on a Sunday or a Saturday, or during the week when the kids have come from school. They can have something lovely like this, and even for Christmas you can use it on your recipe for Christmas also. Guys, hopefully you will just enjoy the recipe. I'm gonna put it in the oven for roughly one good 20 minutes until that cheese melting away. Caribbean Gateway, your way, my way. And remember, Caribbean Gateway, if you have anything to advertise, contact Caribbean Gateway. We do everything. Lovely macaroni and cheese in the oven. Macaroni and cheese from the oven. 20 minutes in the oven. Perfect and nice. Guys, I know you're gonna love the recipe. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Please visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk. Now I'm gonna simply take out a nice piece of the macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Only on Caribbean Gateway you can see such nice, lovely macaroni and cheese. And also